Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking the goal, a 30 to 60 second ad with one clear message. Once done, pick your target audience and write a single sentence hook. This guides every shot. Make sure to storyboard 3 core scenes, opening hook, demonstration, and call to action, and list the exact props and talent. Set camera on a tripod, check framing with a 16:9 ratio, test audio using your lav or phone mic, and confirm lighting. Shoot a short test clip. You now execute the plan, film short, controlled takes of 5 to 12 seconds, and label each clip as you go. Once you have a take, review playback for sound and lip sync, then decide if a retake is needed. Keep retakes limited to 2 or 3 to preserve energy. Make sure to capture B-roll, tight product close-ups, reaction shots, and room/environment details to cover edits. While shooting, vary angles and move from wide to tight, so editing feels dynamic. You finish by assembling your timeline. Place the strongest hook first and trim to land the main message within 3 to 5 seconds. Once done, pace cuts to keep energy, alternate B-roll and talking heads, then add a clear text call to action and your logo. Make sure to normalize audio so dialogue sits around -5 to -10 dB and export H. 264 at 1080p, 30 fps. If audio pops or clips, try rebalancing levels or swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.